Welcome to Neubids. Discover our AI-powered Creative Studio and see just how easy it is to handle your ad creation from start to finish. Getting started is simple. Log into the Neubids Portal to access the Omni-Suite. Navigate to the Add Library tab on the left menu. Here you will add or generate a creative to begin using the powerful tools available to you via Neubids. Once the interface pops up, click on the AI HTML5 Banner tab to access the Display Ad Studio. Enter your project information. Give your creative a name. Then, select your advertiser as defined in the Settings Advertiser section on the home page. Next, configure your content source. You can collect visuals and information from any website URL. Then, choose a template. Select one from a variety of industry standards that suits your needs. In this case, we'll go with Green Energy Solutions. Click Use Template. Click Continue on the left bottom of the page. After a short wait, your new creatives are ready. On the left, you'll find controls for the layers, background, and animation. First, select All in the top banner. Let's edit the creatives to our liking. If you prefer, you can also just choose a custom set or build from scratch. You can pick a custom color scheme. Select the accent lines and change their colors via the color picker, RGB, or hex code. See the changes in real time in the viewfinder. Let's pick an image for your ad. In the Layers tab, click Select Product Image. Select a picture you see fit from the image suggestions below, or upload an image by clicking on the Change Icon button. You can set the position and resize as you see fit in the left pane, or edit the creative directly. Now let's change the displayed text. Click on the text element you want to change. You can also remove or add text here. Write something inspiring, or choose a suggestion. Change the font style, color alignment, line spacing, and position. You can further edit each element by clicking on it. Next, the logo. You can edit the logo placement or upload a new logo. Click the Change icon near the Image tab and pick a new image. Adjust the height, width, and position. Adjust the Call to Action button. You can change the colors and the style of button. Also, you can embed a URL. In this case, littleroastery.nl. Choose a background color. This appears as the ad pops and before all layers are rendered. Adjust the animations. You can adjust all elements to suit your needs. Pick from a myriad of animation choices. Adjust the delay and timing. You can quickly view the results by clicking the Preview Animation button or the Preview button in the top banner. Now to put the final touches on these new creatives. By adjusting each individually, you can polish the look for a more impactful presentation. Choose which creatives you'd like to generate. You are now ready to save and generate your creatives by clicking on the upper right Generate Creatives button. After a short wait, your new HTML5 creatives are ready to deploy. Under Add Library, you can find all of your generated assets. You can edit any part of your assets. Click on the star icon to edit and configure the ad via the notepad icon. Now, you have a one-stop solution for your creatives. Everything you need, seamlessly integrated into one platform. Get creative with Neubids today.